Welcome to this short video showing you how I replaced the steering wheel on my 2015 Audi A8L W12. These are some of the tools I used, including a big fat T55 socket, which is needed to remove the centre nut. It's also worth having some decent plastic spudges to lever off the fittings. Out of the car now, and you'll need to turn on the engine in order to rotate the steering wheel 90 degrees to the side so that you can get to the airbag release clips and push them aside. This is what they look like, by the way. Turn the wheel 180 degrees and repeat for the other side. Use a small screwdriver to prise the clips towards the centre, and as you do so, the side of the airbag will pop out. Once the airbag is released, return the wheel to centre and turn off the engine. Unclip the electrical connectors on the back of the airbag, which will allow the airbag assembly to be removed completely and put it somewhere safe. Get your T55 socket and remove the centre nut, which will allow the steering wheel to be lifted away. Don't move the circular plastic part in the centre of the hub. Now we need to remove the centre plastic section from the wheel. For me, it helped to know what I was trying to remove, so the clips look like this and they dig into the soft material of the steering wheel. Keep prying away until the whole thing comes away in one piece, but be careful not to pull any wires. You'll need to remove the T15 screws which hold the paddles to the back of the wheel, as well as their small electrical connectors. The paddles just pull away easily after that. Now to unbox the refurbished wheel. I wanted to get a flat-bottomed wheel like you'd find in some of the sport models, but apparently they aren't available with heating. So the wheel is the original one, which was refurbished by Royal Steering Wheels in Aylesbury. They don't know I'm making this video. I paid for the refurbishment, and they did not sponsor this video in any way. Their details are in the description. Fit the paddles to the back of the steering wheel and tighten the screws. Fit their electrical connectors back onto the switches on both sides. Ensure the wires are clear from the centre to allow you to press the insert back into the wheel. And press their wires into the recesses. It takes a good amount of pressure to get everything back home, so press around the edges and don't put pressure on the switches themselves. Back into the car now and line up the markings on the wheel with the spline and press home. Refit the T55 nut and nip it up. According to Audi, the steering wheel to steering column bolt torque is 80 Newton meters or 59 foot-pounds. Press all the electrical connectors home making sure any locking tabs are fitted. I had 3 connectors in this instance. Push the airbag pins into the clips and then turn the ignition on and test the buttons. I'm very impressed with the quality of the job which roll steering wheels did. It's made a subtle but very nice improvement to the driving experience, and the worn leather has now gone. This is the optional 3-spoke wheel, but the same applies to the standard 4-spoke wheel too. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like.